Alright, so this is my first unboxing video. Here we have the Jaybird X3 wireless headset. I picked it up this weekend at Best Buy. It was on sale Black Friday, so normally retails in Canada for about $159 and $160, and I picked it up for $129.99, and I thought that was a great deal, so this is my first unboxing video. There's a lot of them, so hope you guys enjoy. So here we go. We got the Jaybird X3. Pretty simple, typical Jaybird things. We got all the information on the back, wireless, music calls, all this stuff. It's a pretty clean box. I like it. It opens up. There's a little flap right here that says Jaybird, and you pop it open, and bam, there you go, Jaybird. Got this Power Your Passion business. Nice clean headset. Small little remote. The thing I like about Jaybird and this box and this package in particular is just that they have really clean design. It's simple. Opens up, and here we go. Here we open it. Got this little pull tab to lift off the front cover, and bam. So let's see. Oh, neat. So here we go. Here we have the headsets itself. Comes in a little foam holder, and be pretty careful with this. Maybe not. I don't know. Seems pretty durable. The packaging is pretty interesting. I've never owned wireless ear headsets before. So here they are. They look pretty nice. They have no ear covers on right now, just because I guess they give you a selection, and I feel like everything is inside this little case that they have here. Now with this, let's open this up, and sure enough, all the accessories and everything I need are inside. Got my headset. Here's my USB charging thing with adapter. They attached onto here so it won't get lost. Now here are the rubber tips that they have. Not too bad. Comes with a small package. Also inside this bag of goodies we have, what's this? These look like shortening clips, cord clips to I guess make them smaller and shorter, I think. And here are some more, I guess these are rubber tips, and these were foam composite tips. And here are the ear fins. So here you go, 3 packs of stuff in this neat little case. Anything else in this box? It looks like there's a sticker that I can't seem to get out. Oh. Jaybird sticker. Stick it on things. And should I need it, some, looks like a warranty guide and a quick start manual. Simple enough. So yeah, that's all that comes in the Jaybird X3 headset. I'll be opening this up and checking it out, and I will leave a review probably a little later on. So hope you enjoyed that, and I'll let you know how I like these. Lots of reviews say they're great. I will find out for myself, and I'll let you know. So until next time, this is Terrence. See you later.